boys and girls. Today we are doing lesson 11.13. Yesterday we did ounces and pounds, which is the customary system that we use here in the USA. Remember the metric system that is used that the rest of the world uses? Yes, well that's what we're going to learn today. Now you know that I grew up in the Philippines and Thailand. In Southeast Asia, we do use the metric system, so I'm very familiar with this. Anyway, there are two units that we use. That's the grams and kilograms. Kilo in front of grams just means 1,000. So a gram is 1 gram and kilogram is 1,000 pounds. Grams, sorry. Okay, a gram here, and it's on your paper, is about equal to 2 paper clips. So if we have kilograms at 1,000 grams, that means that's about 2,000 paper clips. Can you imagine that? That's a lot of paper clips. Okay, moving on. These are the units of weight, okay? And this dime and nickel are units of, how much it costs, or value, okay? And we will be using these to answer your sheet of paper. A dime is about 4 grams. A nickel is about 11 grams. So if a dime is 4 grams and a nickel is 11 grams, which is heavier? Right, nickels are heavier than dimes, but the trick is which one has more value or costs more? A dime is 10 cents and a nickel is 5 cents, okay? So a dime would have more value, but a nickel would weigh more. That's important to know as we answer the questions. Your page will look a little different from mine. Let me read what you have on your paper. It says, how much would 4 dimes and 2 nickels weigh? So now we are going to find out how heavy they are, okay? I have here 4 dimes and 2 nickels because that's on your question. But then it's asking about its weight. We will look at the weight. A dime is 4 grams and a nickel is 11 grams. But we have 4 dimes. We know that a dime is 4 grams. So if we had 4 dimes, because it says you have 4 dimes. So that is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, how much is that? How many grams is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4? 4 times 4 groups is equal to 16 grams. So I'm going to put that here. I know you don't have it on your paper, but you may use your whiteboard. You will need these numbers to figure out the answer. Now we have 2 nickels, and we know that a nickel is 11 grams. If we have 2 nickels, and each of them weighs 11 grams, how many grams total would that be? 11 plus 11 is 22. Okay, now we can add them together to find the total weight. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. So your answer is 38 grams. Okay, I know that might be a little confusing to some of you, but follow along, pause the video, and try to figure it out on your own before I give you the answer. Okay, let's do the second one. 3 dimes, and we said a dime is 4 grams. If we have 3 dimes, that would be 4 plus 4 plus 4. How much is that? 4 times 3 is 12. Then we have 4 nickels. Oh, that's a little harder. 4 nickels. Each nickel is 11 grams. Okay, that'll take you a little more time to figure out. Remember to pause the video if you need more time. 4 times 11, or 11 times 4 is 44. So, on your whiteboard, write 12 plus 44 grams is how many? Okay. Go ahead and add them. 1 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay. All right. The next problem would be the value. So that means how much each coin would cost. All right. So number 3 says, what is the value of 4 dimes and 2 nickels? We have 4 dimes here and 2 nickels. So remember, we're doing value. How much is a dime? 10 cents. So it's 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, put that on your whiteboard. What is the value? Then we're going to do 2 nickels. A nickel is 5 cents. All right. So on your whiteboard, I want you to figure this part out. And let me see if you did it correctly. Pause the video. All right, I hope you did this. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 40. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 1 is 5. And it's not 5 grams, but it's 50 cents because we are talking about value. Okay, I want you to do the last one by yourself, because I am interested to see if you understood the lesson. Go ahead and do it. All right. Good job. Now let's look at number 6 to 11. I think you know how to do this. You have to circle the better unit for measuring. Now remember, big items, you use kilograms. Small items, you will use grams. Go ahead and do this part by yourself, then turn the paper over.